we can wear these tonight to bed?
Yeah, what kind are they? Santa!
Santa PJs! Here. Charlie, what did you get?
She got some too!
PJs! Here, Sam.
Nice.
We'll wear them tonight. Do you like them?
Yeah, they're nice too.
Here, Char. Here, baby. Here's yours.
When we wake up
Look,
in the
I think yours and Charlie match.
This coming.
Hey, Sam.
What?
Bring yours over here for a minute.
Why?
Because I want to see if they match Charlie's.
Okay. They do.
Let's see what yours looks like. Look! They match!
I know.
So cool.
And they match pants.
Yeah, you both have plaid. But you don't need to do that just to get down. Oh, here, let me get that tag too. Don't rip them.